Okay, using player 5, we're going to replicate the issue of remote V4 not receiving single power off. We're using a base station 4, the latest from the pre-order. That's version 4.9. We're using, actually version 46. We're using 2 V3 remotes, and we're using 2 V4 remotes. We're gonna enroll 2 users. The first user is going to be on remote V3. Second user is gonna be on remote V4. Remote V4 number is on the 63, and the other one is 64, and then the remote V3s are in the hundreds. Okay, so we have 2 users, one remote 190 and 63. We're gonna go and play a test that we selected. We're in answering mode. Set answer red. You have 2 remotes on red. Now we're gonna click on manage remotes. And then at this point we're gonna select remote number 63, which is a V4 remote, and we're gonna click on change. And then at this point we're sending start bind. The base station is on start bind mode, and we're gonna replace this V4 remote. But let's say by chance I went ahead and pressed a button and start transmitting. I press bind. This one is bound correctly, but the power off was not received by the old remote. That was V4. Now let me show you. Let me go ahead and close that. And now I'm going to change a V3 remote. I'm going to select V3 remote. Right there is V3 remote. I click change. Now we start in bind mode for the next change, and then I press a button on the active remote to start transmitting. I press bind, it binds, and then it receives the power off as expected. And then now it's changed, it's now remote 191. I close it, and I'm done, and I close. If I go back to the answer mode, now the base station is back in answering mode. And as you can see, instead of having 2 remotes, I still have 3 remotes bound, because this one did not receive the power off. And that's the main issue, is that the new V4 remote is unable to receive the single power off 1 second command while it's transmitting. Thanks.